Many students ask how to plan, how to study for exams, sir. So I have got this video for you. Exam strategy. What rankers do in their exam strategy so that they get ranks, high scores, but others don't get, compromise with mediocre scores or sometimes even fail. I am going to share this secret with you in this video. So listen to the video till the end so that this video will take your exam preparation to the next level. Over 10,000 plus students I have taught, over 10 years I have taught. All that experience I have merged in this video for your purpose. So now, first thing, what we feel that intelligent, the students who get rank are intelligent, skilled, above average student. Ayyo, talented Sarji. This is what we basically feel. But is it that fact? The answer is not. They are like us. They are normal students like us. But they put extraordinary efforts to become successful and become rankers. Telling that others are talented, intelligent may be a good excuse when you fail, but it is not a fact. Now, then what they do, what they have, what skills they have, they are self-motivated, self-disciplined, they are self-resilient. Health problem, financial problem, any problem, break up, take up, whatever it may be, they are goal oriented, they continuously focus on what they have to achieve, and that's why they become rankers. Now think about this Ujjal, lot of financial problems. Thinking about CMA itself is difficult, but he decided that he has to. Then when he started continuous failures, continuous financial problems, continuous failures, others would have dropped, others would have left, but no, I have to do it. This one commitment, one discipline made him to become CMA. Financial problems, continuous failure did not stop him from becoming CMA. Prema Jaikumar, auto driver's daughter, can she become CMA? CA? No. But she did. All problems she kept aside, she prepared hard. Morning she helped mummy to prepare food. Daytime financial arrangement, articleship, working so that he can plan finances. In the night she was to prepare for CA and she came out with ranks. This is what the commitment. A little tired, sir, we are not able to study and focus. We will do it tomorrow, sir. This type of excuses they don't tell, that's why they become rankers. If you want to become ranker, you want to succeed in exams, laziness, keep it away. Think about me. I also studied for CMA course, and from childhood I am blind visually. I cannot see what is written on the board, but still only with hearing capacity I completed the course CMA. It all requires a desire to succeed, and if you have that desire, no problem can stop you from completing your professional courses. Come on, concentrate, right? Self-discipline is required for you. Self-discipline. Intelligence may not be there. It will come. But self-discipline you cannot compromise on. Self-discipline drives IQ all the time. When I saw many rankers, many students who cleared CMA, they may not be intelligent, but they were self-disciplined. And many intelligent students, if they are reluctant, they failed. So what you understand? Come on, take the lessons out of it. Right? Now, don't just think of doing hard work. Many students say, sir, should I study for 16 hours? Should I study for 18 hours? Should I study for 14 hours? No. It's not how many hours you study, how much hard work you do. It is the technique which is important. For that, right things you should do. At the right time you should do. In the right way you should do. And automatically right things will come in your life. Many students complain, sir, I have put so much effort, sir, still I failed. I have practiced this 2000 pages book 2000 times, still I failed. It is not putting effort. It is putting effort in right direction. Doing right things at the right time, in the right way, will give you right result. one of my student is there, Marwadi Puttar. Before he selects a teacher, he will do lot of research. 10 to 20 hours he puts to select a teacher. Will he teach clearly? Will he teach completely? Is it feasible for me to complete the course in this time? So much of investigation he will do. He will inquire a lot of things and then only he selects a teacher. And after that, no compromise. I have to study means study. This is what commitment required to become a successful student. Come on, I will tell you. How we study? When we study? When exams are near? When passing is important and when it becomes urgent, then only we study. But rankers don't do that. Rankers study when it is important. They start early. Please remember, they start early. They study when it is important and then at the end it does not become urgent and tension type of situation. So please remember, start early, start when it is important, don't wait till it becomes urgent. Okay, these are the right things you should do. Then what is the right way to study? I will tell you. Imagine one topic when you are thorough with, you are excellent, you are expert. Imagine one topic. Come on, close your eyes and imagine. Yes, you got the topic, right? Now in that topic, imagine you heard from the teacher properly. You visualized the things, the situations with stories. Yes or no? You would have explained to some other friends. So this is what you should do with every topic. Hear, speak, right? Visualize. Many students write it continuously. Now everybody is independent. Everybody is different. So what were your things which you did to remember that topic perfectly? To become that expert in a particular subject? What you did, just list it down and follow that for each and every topic on a continuous basis. This is very important for your success and your preparation. Now what many students do, on the last day of exam, 2 o'clock exam is there and 1:59, still they continuously change the pages, read again. Why? Because they have a fear that they will forget. Now, what is important? You may not remember everything. It's impossible for anybody. In the exam, they don't test what you remember. They test on how you can solve the problem with what you remember. So what is required for all of us? Required is that you should not only try to remember the things, but practice the things in different ways by writing summary notes, solving problems, right? Just telling the things in a fast track manner and making a audio recording for yourself. Do something or the other, right, to remember the things. But more importantly, try to practice by writing exams, right? Practice tests so that you can manage the time, doing the things in a proper time, in a right way. If you have to do mistakes, don't do mistakes in the exam. Do mistakes before the exam. Practice, don't practice in the exams, Baba. Practice before the exams, right? By writing practice tests. Okay. Now you will ask me a question, sir, how to prepare a timetable? You prepare a timetable, 14 hours, 16 hours. You will prepare a timetable such that I should not waste the time. A single minute should not be wasted. It is not the way of preparing timetable. Timetable should include what to prepare, when to prepare, how to prepare, plus when to take a break. Because you are not machine. Even machine also fails, right? If it works for 24 hours, machines also require breaks. So we are human beings. So take breaks. And when I was a student, I will tell my story. What I was to do, 2 hours I was to seriously study. And then 5 minutes I was to play a song. Nagada, nagada, nagada. Majama Jeevan. If you are happy, then you will be able to perform well, you will be productive, you will be more efficient, you will be accepted by many people. So what is required? If you are happy, you will do great in examinations. But how will you be happy? By taking breaks, pursuing hobbies, whatever you have. Come on, try to understand what I am saying, right? Happy people perform well. If suppose you think about exams, stress, lot of things, then will you be able to give best performance? Even if you learn, you may forget in the examinations. But if you are happy, you are relaxed, then definitely you will perform well. Even if you don't remember, you may remember in the examination. That happened with me, right? That's why I am sharing with you. So many students ask me, how to manage stress, sir? Start early. If you prepare at the last moment, definitely stress will be there. So if you start early, right, then definitely stress will not be there. Start early, prepare well, plan well, no problems, right? Take breaks from time to time, right? Third important thing, revise. Weekly revision, monthly revision. If you do revision, write exams, test yourself, you are prepared. More you are prepared, less the stress you have. Very important dialogue I am telling you, listen carefully, right? That if you focus on efforts, not on results, stress will not be there in your mind. Focus on results, focus on efforts, not on results, right? This is what the mantra for removing stress, right? क्या मंत्र है? जल्दी से बोलो. Focus on efforts, not on results. Come on. Many a times what you do is WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, this, that, and you waste lot of time. Come on, say no to all these things. Use all these things when you need, not always. Please, okay? Now, just chill for time being. Wherever you put lot of efforts, you will be drained. Dance a little, sing songs, practice cricket or whatever sports you love, perform, follow your hobbies, maybe cooking, whatever it may be. If you do that, what will happen? You will be relieved, you will be confident, you will feel relaxed. Then you will be able to perform better in examinations. Come on, what corporates need? Corporate don't want your knowledge. Corporates want how you can solve the problems with the knowledge what you have, right? And for that, practical understanding of subjects is required. Solution oriented studies are required, and that can happen if you start early. Practice exams, imagine, visualize in real life situations, and that is what required for you to succeed. Now, sir, all these things you said is all okay, but how to understand that are we on right track? Are we preparing well? Are we deviating or are we on right track? How to understand, sir? Don't worry. For that, I have prepared a checklist for you. Keep this 10-point checklist on your wall and check every day that am I doing all these things? Am I on the right track? If the answers to all these 10 questions are yes, 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 then you are doing right. Okay? And one more right thing which you have to do, that share this video with your friends. Because if they get good results, they get benefit out of this video, they will thank you for sure. So share with friends. Subscribe to the channel Direct Tax Law, exam preparation strategies, timetable, so many things I am going to share with you on this channel. So subscribe करना है तो बनता है. Come on, subscribe, share and comment below. Any problem, comment below. I am there to help you. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.